Honor 600 Vitality, 600 Super, 600 Pro launched with up to 8600 mAh batteries, 200 megapixel cameras. Honor has officially launched the Honor 600 series in China. The lineup includes the Honor 600 Vitality Edition, Honor 600 Super Edition, and Honor 600 Pro. To recall, the Honor 600 and 600 Pro were unveiled for the global market in April. The Chinese Honor 600 bears some similarity with the Honor 600 Super. The Honor 600 Vitality and Honor 600 Super feature a 6.57-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 8000 nits local peak brightness. The Honor 600 Pro also uses a 6.57-inch OLED panel with similar resolution and refresh rate support. All three smartphones run Magic OS X based on Android 16. Honor has not yet revealed the software update commitment for the new series. The Honor 600 Vitality features a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the Honor 600 Super adds a 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide macro camera. The Honor 600 Pro includes a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide macro sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with Sony IMX856 sensor and OIS support. Each phone also comes with a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. The Honor 600 Vitality and Honor 600 Super are powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, while the Honor 600 Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8550 Elite processor, along with Honor Phantom Engine 3.0. The standard model packs a 7000 mAh Qinghai Lake battery with 80 watts charging support and 27 watts wired reverse charging. The Honor 600 Super includes a larger 8600 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging and 27 watt wired reverse charging. The Honor 600 Pro houses an 8000 mAh battery with support for 80 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. Other features across the lineup include stereo speakers, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C, IR Blaster, and IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings. The Pro model additionally offers an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, while the Super Edition includes an optical fingerprint sensor. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.